We are coming to use the paste, get them spread on the steel where we want to clear it. I have to spread the paste to get in the holes, and then this method will assist in getting rid of any hidden dirt. After I am done spreading the paste on it, I'm going to leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. It's time to scrub. Because I want the bristle to get deeper, I have to apply a bit amount of pressure, and then this will help me get rid of all the dirt in the lines and curves on the steel. I am adding drops of water. I want it to get wet and continue to scrub for great results. I have seen a great result and I'm coming to rinse it. Either warm or cold water is okay. Now you can identify the difference. The side that I have cleaned and the other side that I haven't. This is so good. I can now see all the details very clearly because all were buried because of the dirt. This is so fantastic. I have seen a wonderful result, so I have to get other bits cleaned as well. Wow, this is so good. Ever since I bought this from the eBay, it came whilst it was dirty, and I was thinking how to get rid of those dirt. I didn't want to use sandpaper because I may sand all the details away, and I tried other methods. None of them worked for me, and I'm very grateful to have come across this and trying it. I'm very amazed. I thought it wouldn't work because I was there, I was thinking over it, and then boom, I just had the thought. I say, okay, let me try. And then now this is the amazing result. A friend of mine had this, and correction has taken place. He was wondering how to get rid of. He nearly threw it away. but I told him I'll surprise him, so he should give it to me, and then I'm coming to apply the surprise and then send it to him. I am coming to sand it, and I really need a smooth sanding paper because I don't want any marks on it. The rough sanding paper will create lines on it, and after you have it sprayed, it will be visible. I am sanding the entire handle because I want you to make your choice. Either you will prefer the final result after sanding, or you have it sprayed. So this is the final look after sanding, but you can choose to spray it. I prefer using matte, and then the two colors that I bought were the black and then gray. Because I want a very good gradient for this, I have to combine both together. So I spray the gray and then spray the black too as well at the same time, so that all will dry together, and then it will form a very wonderful gradient. After I'm done spraying, I will wait for it to dry and then turn the other side and then spray that side as well. I will leave it to dry completely, and then boom, this is very amazing. This handle is back to life. My friend would love this. Combining those two colors has given this very interesting gradient. This looks very good. You can try this at home and you will love it. Anyway, if you find this video interesting and useful, you can subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you.